18C3 will give us the number of triangles that would have been formed if all the points were non-collinear. But we need to eliminate the ones, the picking of those 3 collinear points, right? Out of 5. If you pick any 3, that will not give you a triangle. So we need to subtract 5C3. Yeah, that is fine. And after this, do we need to do +1, +2, +3 anything? If yes, plus how much? What number? Why? Which points? None of the points will give you a triangle. So this is our final expression. See, in the earlier case, the 5, there was a straight line possible among them. But among the 5, the triangle is not possible at all. If you pick any 3 points or all the 5 points, they will not give you a single triangle. They will only give you a straight line. Correct? That is the definition of collinear. They are in the same line. Correct? So this is our final expression. If all the 5 are non-collinear, we would have 18C3 triangles. But since 5 of them form a single line, we need to exclude them. So if you exclude 5C3, we will get the final answer. Yeah. So 18C3, it is 18 into 17 into 16 divided by 3 into 2 minus 5C3 is 5 into 4 divided by 2. Okay, do you all remember how we are doing this? Someone wants a reminder? You want to be reminded how we do this? Yeah? Everyone is getting how I am writing this, right? Again, the formula for NCR is n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Okay, Kavita, what is this 17 into 16 into 3? 806. This is 806? Everything. Yeah, 806. You are very good with arithmetic. Next question. A question paper had 10 questions. Each question could only be answered as true or false. Each candidate answered all the questions. Yet, no 2 candidates wrote the answers in an identical sequence. Full stop. How many different sequences of answers are possible? So there are 10 questions and each question has 2 options. So in how many different ways can the question paper be answered? That's all. 10C? Everyone? See, okay, I will tell you how to differentiate. Okay, a permutation combination, you have to apply your mind at each step here. Now let us say you wrote a 10C2. What does this mean? Now, okay, by looking at the question, you wrote this expression. Now, what does this expression mean? This expression means that out of 10 items, you are selecting 2 at a time. Is that what you are doing in this question? No? Then this is wrong expression. Okay. Let's go with 10P2. What does this expression mean? This expression means that out of 10 items, you are selecting 2 at a time and arranging them, correct? Is that what you are doing again? No, right? In all the answer papers, there will be all those 10 these things, right? All the 10 answers. Yeah. Sorry? Sorry? How many questions are there? 10 questions. Yeah. You are talking as though there are only 2 questions. Actually, we have solved such question. I think that must be your question number 2, 3 or something. If you start your probability, if you go back to your notes, look at question number 2 or 3. Yeah. Yeah. So what is the answer now?
Taking all and all individuals.
Sorry.
So nothing on the question to 100 possibilities of it.
Okay. So yeah, that much is correct. 10 into 2. Okay. What does
Sir, 10 into 10.
10 into
10 into 10. 10 into 10 and 10 into 9.
Hey, what would 10 into 9 means? 10 into 9 would mean that, okay,
2 to the power of 10.
very good. That is your answer. How?
So we need 10 questions there. So 10 questions are Q1, Q2 and the 10 will be in. So per question, we'll get 2 options, 2 or 4.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yeah. See, you have 10 questions, right? Yeah. So let these options be A, B. So let it be A1, B1. And let these, okay. So TF anta ide alva? Yeah. Okay. True, false. True matte false anta tolana todi. So the 2 options for first question TF. Second questions also true, false. Third also true, false. Fourth also true, false. Fifth also true, false. Yeah. So each question will have 2 options, right? Yeah. So we can apply the number of ways concept here. So this question can be answered in 2 ways. This in 2 ways. This in 2 ways. Yeah. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. How many times? 10 times to 2 power 10. That is your answer. Convinced? Yeah. So if you solve T, so that is one sequence. If you go for TF, T, that is another. If you go for TF, something. So that way, in each position you can write T or F. So each position will have 2 options, right? So your answer will be 2 into 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 2. So how many 2's? 10 2's. So your answer is 2 power 10. And I have asked you to memorize 2 power 10. How much is it? See, I think I have asked you to memorize the powers of 2 till 10. I think I have in number system, I have asked you to memorize powers of 2 till 10 and 3 till 6 or so. 7, huh? Okay. Yeah. What is 2 power 10? Very good. How come you are so good with arithmetic? Don't know. Yeah. She is from parallel universe. Okay. And she is from humanities background. Yeah. But very good. Yeah. So your answer is 1024. When 10 persons shake hands with one another, how many handshakes happen? Yeah. So totally, yes, correct. Yes, this question can be answered in 2 ways. One is there is a readily available formula for it. The formula is n into n minus 1 by 2. So if you apply it, you will get 10 into 9 by 2, that is 45. And the other way is you can apply combination here. So you know there are 10 people and you need to pick any 2 of them. So if you pick any 2, that will give you a handshake. So 10C2. So this would be 10 factorial divided by 8 factorial into 2 factorial. So this would be 10 into 9 divided by 2, again 45. Done? Next question. In how many ways can 4 children A, B, C, D be made to stand in a line such that A and B are always together? Yeah, we have answered such questions. Yeah. So how do we answer such question? You know there are 4 people. Sorry?
4 feet. 3
Yes. Yes. See, how to answer this question is, actually we have 4 people. If that condition was not put, that A and B should be together, we would be able to arrange them in 4P 4 ways. But 2 of them, they are supposed to be always together. So we should treat them as a single unit. Yeah. So you have 3 units now, 2 people and 1 single unit. So we will treat it as 3 units. So you need to arrange 3 units. So in how many ways can you arrange 3 units among all the 3 units? 3p3 or 3 factorial. So npn is n factorial, so 3 factorial. But each of these 2 people, they can rearrange them among themselves, right? Among the unit. So there are 2 people. In how many ways can they arrange themselves? 2p2 ways. So our answer will be 3p3 into 2p2. So this is 3 factorial into 2 factorial. So that is 6 into 2. So you get 12 ways. Done? Done? Next question. Yeah. And one more thing. In your actual CSAT examination, if you get a new type of question in number system or in a PNC, permutation combination, if you are 100% thorough with these topics, only then attempt them. Otherwise, if you have seen such questions before, if that is a question that you have seen in the class or in some book, then attempt it. Or if you are not so confident and if the question type is new, better skip it. Yeah, don't even attempt it. Either both the things, number system and PNC. If you have prepared thoroughly, yeah, you can attempt it, no problem. Or if it is a question that you are familiar with, like this question, this is a typical question, right? If you get such question, then also attempt it, no problem. But if the question type is new and you are also not so confident, don't even try to attempt it. It is better to spend your time on some other topic rather than these 2 topics, number system and PNC. And when it comes to number series, don't spend more than 90 seconds on a question. If you are past 90 seconds and if you still can't figure out the logic, it means that you will not figure out the logic even if you take 5 minutes. But for other questions, yeah, you can do some trial. You can apply your mind. You can do some R&D.